to Asra Javeen also. Asra Javeen is very lucky. Got seat beside Tara madam. Not that selfish to read out the whole list because my other colleagues also have to share the list. Backbone Street now, all of you.
That is the first point in the class. That is the science point. Science point.
Science comes to play. Yes, I hope all backbones are straight, so I will start. What do I say about the teacher we all look up to? She has been a constant for years and has played a key role in shaping up the school and the generations of students. We see the students come along with their children to school. So she taught so many generations of demystifying the aura around the subject. She is the most dedicated teacher that I know. All the extra classes, Manju నీ syllabus అయిపోయింది class ఇచ్చేసి. Class. So, such a lovely years of serving. Serving in a single institution continuously takes service. Now I invite my colleagues to share their experiences.
My dearest Tara garu, that's how I used to address all my colleagues for quite long. To get rid of that garu, it took me so many years. So now Tara, welcome. And my good friends, namaste. So I'm not good at public speaking, so please excuse me for that. So we are associated with each other, as Mrs. Manjula said, for more than 30 years. We have completed 31 years. So this reminds me of our Telugu hero, who is that Balireddy Prithviraj. 30 years industry. So that goes well with both of us. So myself thinks so many moments we have spent together, and there are so many memories we have shared with each other. So morning, Mrs. Suhasini and Tara, they used to come by the NIRD bus because we were allowed to travel by the NIRD bus. So they were coming together from Koti, whereas me and my other colleagues, so we used to come from Medipatnam. So we were coming by bus and RTC, we used to come. And then I had my son, and if she gives us anything, hey, what are you going to she will force us to eat. And you will not have any words to refuse, say no ma. Vaddandi any chance undadu. So that is my good friend Tara, whom we have been together for 31 years. Actually, she might not be here in the school, but she will frequently come here. Tara, you train a science exhibition with the name of subject knowledge, right? So I think allo maatladabothe chaala vastayi. I want my other friends also to share their experiences with her. Wish you all the best, Tara. We will keep meeting. మా ఇంటికి ఇద్దరు ఇళ్ళకి మధ్యలో ఒక చిన్న మీటింగ్ ఉంటుంది. అటువైపు ఆ ఇల్లు ఇటువైపు నా ఇల్లు. ఈవినింగ్ వాకింగ్కి వెళ్తే ఇద్దరు కలవచ్చు. అలా
Respected Principal Sir, dear Tara Madam, Asra Javeen.
I'm sorry, I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry because we don't have much.
So all the time
This was only 2
concentrating on
years,
my
no?
good friend. And we all the best.
Anybody did not tell about.
There you have a bright
And I think she is a good English teacher, a very well teacher, very nice teacher. That I can tell you. And Namaste Varada, a small experience I will share with you. Most probably in the school premises, I was only one person to get every 9th and 10th class children. Every day morning, 9 o'clock I will sign and come inside. And some of the few children, especially some children in 10BA, 10B will meet me. Daily they will meet me. What they will meet me? What children are there? Especially they come and please sir, today don't give to my your parents. Sir, Please go to. Again, I am telling sir. Third period, tell the B, sir. Tell the B. Don't give, sir. She may wander in the corridor and she may come inside before that you come inside. And what happened when recently she was coming like this, and like this she was going. No, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, send us, sir. Before that, so many warnings, even girl children also, they will come and recently, one fighting also happened. Very much upright, sir. Don't call, sir. What happened? Yeah, I told. Such a good teacher and so much dedicated teacher, very nice teacher. I know her value. When she taught my daughter, I come to know. I will tell you that also 2 minutes. And why, what happened? Let her tell 2 times, 3 times. She will continue to repeat. What will happen? Nothing will happen. It is very good for you, you know. Already by heart, without seeing the book, you can write nicely. What is that? Then, madam, please, madam. Just now I am telling that one only, madam. Okay, I don't want to take. Melissa, please carry on because already so many times I have had it. It was completed.
అందరూ చాలా చెప్పారు కానీ నిన్న రాత్రి జరిగిన ఒక చిన్న సంఘటన చెప్తాను. మేము రాత్రి డిన్నర్ చేసేటప్పుడు మా ఇద్దరు అమ్మాయిలతో కూర్చొని అన్నం తింటూ న్యూ ఇయర్ వచ్చే ఉగాది గురించి సో అందుకని ఆ ఒక్క మాట చాలు అనిపించింది. సో మన పిల్లలకి మేడం చూడరమ్మ సతులాల శోభాన పాడరమ్మ, చూడరమ్మ సతులాల శోభాన పాడరమ్మ, కూడున్నది పతి చూడి గుడుతనాంచారి, చూడరమ్మ సతులాల శోభాన పాడరమ్మ, కూడున్నది పతి చూడి గుడుతనాంచారి, సోగానే 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 సోగానే, శ్రీ మహాలక్ష్మియట సింగారాలకే మరుదు, కాముని తల్లియట చక్కదనాలుగానే, సోగానే సోగానే సోగానే, కలసాకి కూతురట గంభీరాలకే మరుదు, కలపలోకమాతయట జయమరియే మరుదు, కలసాకి కూతురట గంభీరాలకే మరుదు, కలపలోకమాతయట జయమరియే మరుదు, జలజని వాసనియట చల్లదనమే మరుదు, జలజని వాసనియట చల్లదనమే మరుదు, కొలది మీరా ఈ చూడి కుడుతనాంచారి, శోభానే 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 శోభానే, అమరావతితయట అగ్ని మహిమయే మరుదు, అమృతపు చుట్టమట ఆనందాలకే మరుదు, అమరావతితయట అగ్ని మహిమయే మరుదు, అమృతపు చుట్ట. Namaste to one and all. We all know that we have assembled here on the retirement eve of Madam Tara Garu, and also we are going to miss our Asra Garu from today onwards. Let me recollect some memories that I have with Madam Tara. I will still make some more memories. That to start with, first of all, you know, when a newcomer enters into the school, what kind of atmosphere should a teacher working from several years should provide as a there was one kind of apprehension when I was entering, and honestly speaking, there were two teachers who were quite accommodated. One was Madam Sabita and one was Madam Tara. You know, always these two have a special place in everyone's heart because these two are very different. What is the greatness of Madam Tara is first thing. See, I have seen her for the past 25 years. Never ever I have seen her going to the class without preparation. You know, prior to taking class 10, She turns the paper. She reads what she's about. She really puts her heart and soul into the content, and she she prepares for the class and good. That is the first quality. I'm really mesmerized. You learn from people. You learn. As a newcomer in the school, and in these many years, I've learned to love children from Sabita Madam. And my son was in class 6, and there was Science Congress taking place. In those times, today now Science Congress, most of you have joined 2 years prior to the science teachers, new science teachers. But earlier then there was Science Congress. Not one project used to go from the school. There were 10, 12 projects at a stretch they used to go, and all the classes were involved in preparation of the Science Congress only. So this is what, yes, teachers, everybody. It was the job of everyone to go and prepare for the Science Congress and ensure that there is a selection to the national level in the Science Congress. Most of our teachers' children were part of Science Congress and were also acknowledged at various levels. So when my son was, doing this, one of the school, there are several strong pillars. But when I look back, she's a very strong pillar in the subject. And there is one more beautiful thing. All the old children, there is a strong bond with the old children. Especially recently, I had an interaction and I was even made to aware that, remember Prakash Babu, you all know, he's a cricket coach. Okay, so he has helped. He did nothing, but there was one cricket coach, his senior, who was injured or who was ill, and he was admitted in the hospital. And this Prakash to the children, trust the child. She always used to trust the children. All, each and every one. A teacher should have a heart to understand what kind of circumstances have made the child to err in such a way. You should be a guide. You can't be a nagger always. She was never a nagger. You all don't know this. She just put away everything because, see, stagnant water stick. You only do that work. Naturally, new water should flow. New ideas have to come. New people have to involve. New people have to be experienced. That is why she was paving way, and she has sidelined herself from several jobs, but she never compromised with her content and all. There is one more very important thing. Whenever she teaches this reproduction lesson, that was really such a kind of a lesson. Some felicitation program was conducted during the Teachers' Day. So there you can see that snap. I thank A. Lakshmi, she gave me so many photos from her archives. Or else I would not make all this. See, the beauty, V.K. Walia, Principal V.K. Walia Garu. Principal V.K. Walia and Tara Madam has a strong bond which cannot be ever explained. So, you can see
yes, that spirit she has inculcated in every science teacher. Now we can ask this, right? Only one question. Okay, and our journey, now see how.
Okay. Baga na wala?
See, it is never ever ending journey. So he is going to be time. He will be in my heart, soul, and friendship is divine soul.
One and all person here. My association with ma'am is 12 years gone I have. I came from Coimbatore Bhavins. Actually, when I came first day, I met Tara Madam. Maybe she might be not remembering that. First, I take admission for my both the sons here. So we were so worried. My husband got transferred from Coimbatore to here. We wanted them to continue with Bhavins only. So as he has to connect to Mahbub Nagar, we chose NIRD Bhavins. And we want to take the admission here. That time only one section. Luckily, that time only the school is going to get 2 sections. 2009, I think. 2009. 9, 10. Apan kar sakte hai. First sheet apan kar sakte. You can do it. You can do it. Select this topic. This is the way it has to go. This is the way it has. This is the way you have to do. And even my sons had the opportunity. Elder one got the opportunity writing the project at Ondevu. He was selected for national as 15 projects full bus.
No, my co-sister, she is working for Microsoft in Bangalore. She told me, "Akka, time unte ఒక్కసారి తారా మేడం క్లాస్ వినించు." అది నాకు చాలా మంచిగా అనిపించింది. విన్నాను కూడా మేడం. అసలు ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్నాము అంత మంచి ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఉంటుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
Namaste madam, namaste sir, and namaste to everybody. Actually, when I joined, the madam scrutinized my certificates. First time I met madam on stage, and she have gone through all my certificates. Even till date, madam was scrutinizing all the question papers. She won't bother for the time, and up to COVID time, we worked up to 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Maybe Satyanarayana sir knows very well. We troubled even sir. But madam won't leave us until the
Trouble is not only this year, madam, 33 years.
Up to 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock also it went on. And even every word she scrutinizes very well, perfectly. When we give the question paper to madam, and we need not to worry for later what happens, what we should be. Any question paper it is befikar we can be, so it will goes normally to the children and happily they'll write. That confidence we used to get. So, and she trained us a lot. I cannot say in words actually. Her motivation is perfectly 100% for the teachers who are coming and who are going to come. Madam, we wish your blessings should be with us always, ma'am. And she used to say, read the books, Pramila, more and more you read, Pramila. You take the children to, I know that scientist, I know this scientist. You ask them, you bring the children, I'll take them to the agreement. Really, madam, how she'll get that energy? Really, you are blessed, madam. And even I appreciate Satyanarayana was the backbone for our madam. Very big appreciation.
Madam and all my dear colleagues, Namaste to one and all. See, we have read in our books, work is worship. We have read several times, and today I am able to see in front of my madam. Madam, you have told
కార్యాచరణలందు కొత్త బాటలను చూపించితివి కవరములకు ఆచంద్ర తారార్క కీర్తిని పొందితివీవు ఇక శేష జీవితమును ఆయుర ఆరోగ్యములతోడను సుఖశాంతులతోడను
Each other. So, as like today we have been success and we started our career by staying in a rented house of 200. I am giving that better than lavished more 2 rooms to my watchman today. That is a God's grace. And the hard work of both the wife and husband. The wife and husband together, only this is possible. The wife and husband together and understand and the work So one thing that actually the retirement functions and all things we feel like that still only we are retiring in one. I don't feel to retire. See, that is another. See, when my at the age of the 58 in my college, so they told it last year, 59 last 2 years back. So they told that to retirement function. I said don't do the retirement function. Everybody should not know that. And I am continuing it. I am continuing working, and fortunately here the UGC has been increased the age of 65. Then 65 now as without even PhD also, then they can work. Then some new designation is being given, and moreover in the private colleges we can work. There is no limit of the age in this.
First one, we have a command on the subject. When you have a command on the subject, when you enter into the class, you will not get noise from the children. The second thing, well preparation is needed before the class. Though you prepare several times the same lesson, but while reading, you will get at least 1 or 2 new points every new year. So this could be taught last year. Yes. The next one, relate the concept in the day-to-day situation. That's very, very important. Next one, start with the simple, make it to complex. If you start complexity, increase more than after simplicity, the child will lose the interest in the subject. Simple to find, known to unknown. Then trust the child, understand the child, counsel the child. This is very, very important. Based on the child, the way of teaching should be different. So not in the same way, or how the children who are very intelligent, teaching is different from the child who is whatever slow learner. And capture the attention of each and every child while you are teaching. Equipped with new technology and mode of teaching, that we are doing it. The next one, never hesitate to share. Never hesitate to learn from all sources and include reading from children and colleagues also. See, each and every one will have a different one of strategy from them. There's nothing wrong in it. So next one, last thing I would like to to practice is to cultivate friendship as a science teacher in this esteemed institution from 1991 onwards. I also thank all the principals under whose leadership I work. I received immense support and guidance from each one of them throughout my teaching career. I also thank all my colleagues for their support, friendship. I will always remember our shared laughter, joys, as well as our struggles. I also thank two for the notes of appreciation, words of encouragement, sharpening of resources and time, but mostly your sincerity and trust. Last but not least, I sincerely thank all the non-teaching staff and supporting staff for their support and help and love and affection shown in my journey. Then, thank you all once again. God bless you. Remember me. I am just a colony. Then, all the best.
You. From morning, it's almost 11 o'clock we started this program. As I told you in the beginning of the program, in between any call comes, but till now, as a good task, nothing calls us. Alright. So we'll continue, we don't know what time it takes. Today, Madam will arrange.
Hey, that's expecting lunch.
Because she know our favorites. Ravikiran is like that. Just now she told you know. Greenery means Ravikiran. Now, everyone shared your different experience. As a human being, everyone will have the different experiences with everyone. Not only similar way of approach, similar way of, but there is a unique thing in all of us was teaching. A teacher, when they teach to the students, only two methods they will apply. One is, I should teach the way everybody should understand. This is the only concept we will go in everyone preparation time and we will enter into the classroom. While presentation of that lesson, 90% will fail. Even your 220 working days, 160 teaching periods, all 160 teaching periods, you can't say 100% confidence that there are some disappointed stages will come out. But when I joined in the year 2012 in this school, already around 6-7 years the previous service, as a maths teacher as well as administrator, when I came to the school, like you all are very good at cooking. When you have boiled the rice, if you took top 2 seats, whether it is boiled or not. So like that when we will come to your classes, when I observe your classes, your way of working, whatever it is X, Y, Z in your teaching profession, we know that how much is this teacher is capable. Based on that, we will proceed to the other things. When I joined in this school, for me it's a new. Work is not new, but all the persons are new. So first of all, my job is to understand everyone. When I am understanding one by one, it took for me almost I can say freely 1 year time. By the time they also understood what Ravikiran was. Am I correct? So later, then I came to know that there is a Tara madam who will teach for the biology. And everybody was like, sometimes I feel it is, she is a good teacher, but children are afraid. In what way? Madam will keep on repeating the lesson And until the last average below understood that lesson, and he should say that, yeah, I understood. Don't repeat the lesson. Such a sound should come into the class. You understood the meaning of that. Generally, when we go to the classroom, we teach the lesson. I think all of you understood what is we explained. They will say that yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. First 2-3 benches. Last benches they won't say yes sir.
Majority students understood it enough. Most of us will.
But here it's a different case. This I understood in the second year, because first year it's only for my understanding everyone. Second year I understood. Then I said, after my most of the works, we also understood that someone other way I will do practical with the teachers. Whether you are a science or a language or you are whatever it is. Even office people also, they know very well what type of practicals I will do. So my experiment was, just as soon as the subject biology madam is teaching this much nicely, why can't we do an experiment with the chemistry? First of all, she said, because as soon as you will get a credit, good name or fame or money, there are some people who will be ready, without any paying the money, they will be ready to discourage you. But very few people will get for the encouragement in our life. So I thought of, when the students are benefited with her in the biology, I know she is a very good teacher, let me try, in whatever the year it may be, I didn't remember, I gave the chemistry. So when the chemistry is given, that subject is known to her, but see, a maths teacher can teach physics, but the way maths teacher will teach the mathematics, that may not teach physics that much perfect. They know, because most of the MBA is student. So beginning of the days, generally whether the student will prepare that much of time or no, I don't know, but madam is prepared in such a way, even chemistry also came to that level. Because what has happened, always, when the science marks used to come, I am talking about 2012, previous history I don't require. In the science area, 3 subjects is major, physics, chemistry, bio. We can't blame any teacher. Is it a physics teacher fault or chemistry teacher fault, bio teacher fault? I never find any faults with the subjects, because the examination written by the student, question paper set by some other people, valuation done by some other. So blame I never do any teacher, because you all are dependent on the student. But the way you will give the training for the students will change into the child performance in the examination. That way I will believe. So when I saw for the 2-3 years the performance in the science, why today I am talking about only the academic matter, because other things also I will slowly cover. First let me talk about the academic matter with your connection. So when I saw, when madam took the chemistry parts, the difference between the previous one and this one I understood. I never say that this teacher is great, other teachers are worst. But I request everyone, the good things we will have in every human being. Identify that. It may be your professional growth, it will help you, or your personal life. Both are good. But the thing was, while adopting, whether it is suitable or not, we should check it. Like recently some pig heart is kept for the human being, after some days they died. Okay, there are some categories which is suitable to you, you adopt it. The way Tara madam taught, I will teach in the similar way, means that much hard work also required. The way Ravi Kiran will do as an administrator, I can't compare with the another administrator. But if any good things are there, I will adopt it. At the 97 when I came to this career, that time YouTube is not there and online teachings are not there, nothing is there. To destroy our concentrations. Now every child will have the mobile in their hands, even ourselves will have. When we will get a leisure time, in those days, we used to do other works like paper corrections, notes corrections, question paper, sample papers. Now everything is available in online. Why should we do all those things? We are just simply one click, we are getting downloading. But instead of doing to the other side, why can't you use the same thing towards your career progression side? Here 2 things, major things is available. One is, when everything is there in your hand, you will misuse like children. And when there is nothing is there, she performed better. Now it is there in your hand, everything is available in your fingertips. Whatever the way you require, utilize it properly. And it will be useful for you. We can't purchase love and affection with the money, remember. You may be having the crores of money in your bank accounts, but the children's love and affection can't be purchased with your. As a teacher, as long as you work in Bhavan school or any school or whatever the school, you required affection from the students. Only two areas will get it. One is, if you understand their feelings, in whichever the characters you have, as a mother or an aunt or sister, whatever it is, you attach with that and deliver your subject till the last child. If you say that he is unfit for my class, you teach. And they should feel that in her class or in his class. With all your blessings, let us journey for another 10 to 15 years peacefully. We hope the best. And thank you, sir, for coming into this anniversary and honoring all of us. And Ashra ma'am, thank you so much for your service which is provided to the school for the. It's minor or major, it won't. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता मुझे, ठीक है? So it's a happy moment for me, ठीक है? Thank you ma'am, thank you. Thank you ma'am.
To felicitate our dear Sara madam.
So we'll arrange cheers.
Namaha Harihi Om Shanno Mitrasham Varunaha Shanno Bhavatvaryama Shanna Indro Brihaspatihi Shanno Vishnururukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vayo Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishyami Ritam Vadishyami Satyam Vadishyami Tanmamavatu Tadbhaktaramavatu Avatu Ma'am Avatu Bhaktaram Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi Rajadinaraya Prasakya Stahine Namo Vayam Vaishravanaya Gurmahe Same Kaman Kamagama Yamakyam Kameshvaro Vaishravano Dadatu Kuberaya Vaishravanaya Maharajaya Namaha